Yeah, giddy old outcast, always under attack, always coming in last, knowing up the past, no one owes you anything. I think you need a shotgun blast, a kick in the ass, so paranoid, watch your back. Oh my, here we go, another loose can, gone bipolar, slipped down, couldn't get much lower. You ain't got no sense of humor, I'm still laughing like hell. You think that by crying to me, looking so sorry, that I'm gonna believe you've been infected by a social disease? Well then take your medicine. I created the sound of madness, wrote the book on pain. Somehow I'm still here to explain that the darkest hour never comes in the night. You can sleep with a gun when you're gonna wake up and fight for yourself. So sick of this tombstone mentality. If there's an afterlife, then he'll set you free. I'm not gonna part to see your self-fulfilling prophecy. You think that by crying to me, looking so sorry, that I'm gonna believe you've been infected by a social disease? Well then take your medicine. I created the sound of madness, wrote the book on pain. Somehow I'm still here to explain that the darkest hour never comes in the night. You can sleep with a gun when you're gonna wake up and fight for yourself. I created the sound of madness, wrote the book on pain. Somehow I'm still here to explain that the darkest hour never comes in the night. You can sleep with a gun when you're gonna wake up, when you're gonna wake up and fight. I created the sound of madness, wrote the book on pain. Somehow I'm still here to explain that the darkest hour never comes in the night. You can sleep with a gun when you're gonna wake up and fight for yourself. You're gonna wake up and fight. When you're gonna wake up and fight. When you're gonna wake up and fight.